In this video, I'm going to share too on how you can add a pop-up message on cell in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Open your Excel sheet. Okay, I have prepared this one from here. So suppose that we are going to enter the text right here under the shapes that should be in all capital letters. Okay, so how can we do that? First is you just need to select all the cells that should contain the pop-up message. Okay, and then look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the data tab. Now here you can find this option, data validation. Click on this drop down and click on data validation. Now this window will appear. You have settings, input message, and error alert. Click on input message and title. Just need to simply write here reminder. Okay, input message should say enter text in all capital letters. Okay, and click on OK. Now, if we are going to put our cursor right here on the cells under shapes, you'll find this pop-up message, enter text in all capital letters. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.